Very good morning to one and all. Again, we are going to discuss about the last part of the fifth unit of Basic Electrical, Electronic and Instrumentation Engineering. This is Dr. B. Santana Krishnan, Associate Professor in association with Dr. B. Paramasivam and Dr. S. Ramesh Kumar. In this presentation, we are going to talk about the instrument transformer. So, instrument transformer, this is the overview of our presentation. What are the classification? What is called for your classification of instrument transformer? The instrument transformer are necessary for isolating the protection and control measurement equipment from with high voltage of power system. It's supplying the equipment with the appropriate value of current and voltage. That is a major function. It is going to protect as well as the supply the appropriate voltage and required voltage and current of the corresponding electrical power system. That is a major function of the instrument transformer. Then types of the instrument transformer classified into two types. One is called current transformer, generally called as CT, and potential transformer, generally called as PT. Then we talk about the current transformer. So current transformer, like any other transformer, a current transformer has a primary winding, a magnetic core and a secondary winding. The primary winding of a current transformer is connected in series with the power circuit. The impedance is negligible compared with that of the power circuit. The alternating current flowing through the primary produces the magnetic field in the core and inductance a current in the secondary winding. Induces current in the secondary winding. The CT's primary circuit consists of a single turn of the conductor with a secondary of many turn or hundreds of turn. The primary winding may be a permanent part of the current transformer if heavy copper bar to carry the current through the magnetic core. In right hand side you can see the design of the current transformer. So this is the function of the current transformer. It reduces the power system current to lower value for measurement, isolate the secondary circuit from the primary, then permit the use of standard current rating for secondary equipment. Then current transformer construction, you can see here there are two types of current transformer. One is called broad primary and wound primary. Both are indicated by the different coloring. So this is the view of the bar primary. How the bar primary CT is a detailed view of the bar primary CT. Then accuracy. The accuracy of the CT is directly related to number of factors. Number one is called burden. The secondary load of the current transformer is usually called the burden to distinguish it from the local load of the circuit whose current is being measured. Then rating factor. The rating factor is a factor by which the nominal full load current of the CT can multiply to determine the absolute maximum measurable. Then followed by load, then external electromagnetic field, temperature, physical configuration, and selected tab for multi-ratio CT. So based on this factor, the accuracy of the CT going to be vary. So this diagram shows the equivalent circuit of the CT. Then what are the safety precautions to be used in CT? The secondary of the current transformer is disconnected from its load while current is flowing in the primary. The transformer secondary will attempt to continue driving current across the effectively infinite impedance. This will produce high voltage across the open secondary. These high peaks of voltage may not be measured by conventional voltmeter, but these high peaks of induced may be broke down the CT insulation and may cause the accident to the personnel. So the CTs are used in measuring current, is used to measuring the current and monitor the operation of the power grid. That is a major function of this CT. Then another instrument transformer is potential transformer. Potential transformer. The potential transformer theory is just like a theory of general purpose step down transformer. The primary of this transformer is connected across the phases or the ground or depending upon the requirement. The PT has a lower turn winding at the and its secondary. In an ideal potential transformer, when rated burden connected across the secondary, the ratio of the primary and secondary voltage of a transformer is equal to their number of turns ratio. But in actual transformer, there must be an error in the voltage ratio as well as the phase angle between the primary and the secondary voltages. So you can right hand side you can see how the PTs are connected in circuit. So this the next one is called the design. Then types of the potential transformer. There are two main basic types are available. One is called electromechanical PT and capacitor PT. Similar to power electromechanical PT similar to a power transformer may not be economical above 132 kV, and capacitor PT is usable high voltages. Main difference is that CPT has capacitor divider on the front end. Then this is the construction of the PT. The construction of the voltage transformer takes into account the following factor. One is called output, seldom more than 200 to 300 voltage. Cooling is rarely a problem. Insulation, designed for the system impulse voltage level. Insulation volume is often larger than the winding volume. Then mechanical design, not usually necessary to withstand short circuit current, must be small to fit the space available within the switchgear. So these are the design parameter before being construct the PT. This is the function of the PT. Provides isolation of high voltage. Then it must operate in a linear region to prevent accuracy problem. Do not over specify the voltage. Must be capable for driving the burden specified by relay manufacturer, and production class VT will be sufficient. Then there is error in PT. The difference between the ideal value and the actual value in the voltage error or ratio error is the potential transformer. The percentage error equal to Vp minus KT Vs by Vp into 100, where Vp is nothing but the primary voltage, and KT and the reverse secondary Vp and the reverse secondary voltage generally called as the Vs, secondary called to Vs, multiplied with the constant. KT is nothing but number of primary turns or number of secondary turns. So based on this equation, we can calculate the error in the PT. Then causes of error in PT. Because of the PT error, the voltage applied into the primary of potential transformer first drop due to internal impedance of primary. Then transformed voltage across the secondary winding will again drop due to internal impedance of the secondary before appearing burden of the terminal. So this is the current transformer. So conclusion is current transformer is used to measuring the current, monitoring the operation of the power grid. Secondary should not be kept open. So always the secondary of the series should be short circuit. So this is the current transformer. Potential transformer used to measuring the voltage, provide the isolation from the high voltages. So these are the conclusion of the current transformer as well as the potential transformer, generally called as the instrument transformer. Thank you.